Are you a travel bug like me but don't want to be working a 9 to 5 online while you're traveling? Then you're in the right place. Welcome. Let's explore how we can get out of the 9 to 5 rat race or building our own business. My name is Nina. I am a mom to Captain Carter. He is lying here on my lap today. He is pretty much the inspiration for this channel. We absolutely love travel and adventure, and we are in digital marketing. We are promoting digital marketing. And this is so that we can change our lifestyle and become a digital nomad. So if you are wondering how you can do this, how you can stop working so many hours, if it is for someone else or even if it is for you and your own business, but where you can maybe only work just 2 hours a day and still earn an income, listen up, because I have got a solution for you. Here are 3 things I think you need to know about if you're wanting to move away from that 9 to 5 job or from working so many hours overtime or just working so many hours on your business to try and make it happen. So let's get into it. Number 1 is you need to get clear on the income that you need to fund your travel adventures, your freedom-based lifestyle, your new lifestyle, and make sure you've got a buffer in there as well. Be certain to have that. So get crystal clear on what that figure is for you. For us as a family, we know that we need to have about $2,500–3,000 a month coming in. That is pretty much our minimum. And depending on where in the world you're living, it may be a lot. You may need a little bit more. You may need a lot less. It just depends on you and your situation. There is no perfect figure or amount. It needs to work with what type of lifestyle you are after. Number 2 is you need to have a digital product and an automated system in place that is working for you. You need to have something that is set up in the background so that when you are traveling, so that when you're out snorkeling or hiking, that you are still able to earn an income, so that you're still able to get sales happening automatically, so that you don't have to reply to an email, that you don't have to send an invoice, that you don't have to create a booking, but that something is happening automatically, literally while you're sleeping. And so this is one of the reasons why we have invested in the digital growth community. They have 4 products there. I go into those a little in one of the videos. I'll link to that after this video. And if you can't wait till then, just head to our website, www.captaincarter.travel, and get the blueprint there, or just put your name in the comment below and we'll be sure to send that to you. But what you really want to do is you want to have a good digital product in place with an automated system. There's no point in having a good product. I know this all too well. I have created many digital products over the years, but they did not have an automated system. You need to have the 2 working hand in hand together so that sales can happen automatically in your sleep, like I was saying. And number 3 is an engaged community. You need to have an engaged community, a community that supports you, a community like you watching this video and interested about what's happening. You need to be able to have a community, and it doesn't matter which social media platform it is. It could be here on YouTube, it could be on TikTok, it could be on Instagram, it can be on Facebook, wherever it is. But you need to have a captive audience who are actually interested in what you're doing. And so this is not about like your friends or your parents who would support you and your adventure, but not actually invest in what you're doing. You need to find an audience who's actually interested in purchasing what you're selling. And so that's what I really love about the digital growth community, is that they give you those steps. They don't ask you to sell to your friends or family. They give you the steps on how to promote yourself and draw in an audience globally that resonates with you and are then willing to purchase your product, so that you don't actually ever have to feel like you hard selling something to family and friends that maybe that they don't actually want or need, or that they just feel that they should be purchasing from you to support you. So you really want to be able to have all three of those in place if you want to be earning an income online. So number one, you need to get very clear as to what it is, the figure is that you're wanting to earn. Number two, you need to have a product and a system in place that is working hand in hand. Yes, you do. We love those balloons. And number three is that you need to have an engaged audience. And you need to have all three of those. If you have just one, if you have just an engaged audience, which I've had in the past, and you don't actually have a good product with the system in place, it's going to be crickets. Maybe you have a really awesome product as well as the system in place, but you have no audience to sell to. That's also not going to work. And if you don't actually know what it is you're striving for, the amount that you're wanting, you don't actually know how much time and effort you actually need to put in to earn that figure, that amount. So your next action step, watch the next video on digital products, see if anything resonates with you, or head to our website already, www.captaincarter.travel, and grab our blueprint, and you'll be able to follow the outline there and see if it's something that could work for you. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment and we'll be sure to get back to you. See you next time.